Hey collectors, Monkey Paw Picks back with another unboxing review. This time it's the Xbox One Avengers video game by Square-Enix. This is a collector's edition. Comes with the statue, steelbook, all types of good stuff. Here's what you get. If you see it, steelbook, bobblehead, keychain, belt buckle, all that good stuff. Let's check it out. Let's open this boy up here. So, here we go. It's a bit difficult. And it's a beautiful package. I like it. Hopefully we get justice to the Avengers. This is not based off the movie. This is more based off the comics. As you can see, as the slip case cover cardboard thing, put that over here. Has a beautiful box with Avengers, has all the team logos, Avengers on top. Oh, here it's the Avengers on top. Awesome. Comes off like a glove. There's an inside nice blue tint to it. It should be green for Xbox, because blue is PlayStation. So, here's what you get in the first panel of good stuff. This looks like the Iron Man blueprints. We'll open it in a second. Here's a little postcard picture of their family. Pretty cool. We'll get to that. Oh, just has a little trinket. What is this? This looks like a pin. I'll open that in a second. Here's a steelbook of the game. Check this out. Xbox steelbook Avengers with all the logos on back. Pretty legit. Let's check out what else we got here. It's taped. So, and that is pretty cool. So if I can show you this, Captain America logo, looks legit. See how it just comes out like that. So it isn't like a little blister packaging. So there's no shortness of packing, none whatsoever. So let's see if we can show you this before we take it out. This beautiful Steve Rogers Captain America statue that comes with the game. Looks freaking amazing. See if we can take this bad boy out. It is very light, surprisingly, because the box was a little bit heavy. So, it's hollow, I wish anybody remembers back when they used to make statues out of resin. Yeah, I miss that. But this scene is freaking detailed. Has some amazing detail. Holding the helmet, we see that the helmet action in his hand. The back of him has some freaking detail. I love it. I like it. It's pretty legit. What do you think? See that? I want to say it says, Margaritas. It says, this nation was founded on one principle above else. The requirement that we stand up for what we believe, no matter the odds or the consequences. Steve Rogers, Captain America. Sounds like one of his speeches he does that ain't relate so well. Can you read that? If you want to pause it, go for it, read it. It's pretty late, as you can see. Pretty late. Put this right here for you. Alright, let's see what's next. Then, empty box of wasted space. Could give us something cool right there. Let's see what we got. Alright. This looks like Thor's hammer keychain. So let's open this up. Maybe. We'll see. They put that in there. They put that in there pretty hard. Look at my finger. It is a keychain. Thor's hammer. It does have some weight to it. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. It's a little bit heavy. Kind of big for a keychain. I don't know if I would put my keys on it, but it is pretty heavy, pretty legit. That's pretty cool. Lots of more packing. Then we got Black Widow belt buckle. Let's check this out, yeah? Alright. That opens that easier than the other one. And that is pretty cool. It is metal. The legit belt buckle. We see that with so on that big belt buckle, but that's how you put it on. Simple. Sit to the back, pretty legit, has some weight to it, as you heard. It's, yes. And the Hulk bobblehead. Let's see how this is, yeah. Alright. I'm making a mess over here with all this packaging has so much to it. And love Tony, what it says on the bobblehead. Get this out of the way and bubble it up. Awesome. If you can read this, says love Tony. And it has a price tag. That's pretty funny. If you can see it, it says $2 for the Hulk bobblehead. It's funny. Look at it, but seems a little top heavy, so you're probably too much for a fall. So let's put this right here. Alright, let's get to all these little things that we passed up before. And let's see. So, tape is not my friend. They're not making it simple. There we go. Alright. More trash. Think you get saved that. Oh, that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Little Avengers pin. You see that? Avengers self-mail pin you can put on your backpack, I guess. It's see what the gamers say here. Alright. You make this great, Jesus Christ. Alright, still work over here. Boom. Has a code which can't show. So we'll just put that down. It does have a code for the comic book if anybody wants that. You should come for free digital comics per month. Put that right there. As a book that tells you your rights and all that legal awesome stuff. And it has the steelbook artwork in game. Pretty cool. I mean, I think it has a Captain America making some amazing Captain America, whatever looks he does. Steelbook. Awesome. Alright, let's get to the photo. Let's see if we can get this out without destroying it. Since it makes it so easy to do. There we go. So, it has a little inscription on the back. I'll read that here. It says, finally met my heroes, and one day they'll reassemble. I'll read that. Not too bad. Then we'll show you the picture of the heroes. I believe it's that little girl talking about meeting the Avengers. Some awesome stuff. And then this should be the blueprint for the Iron Man suit. So if you ever get bored and you have another COVID, you feel like you want to make a crash in the Iron Man suit, this is your time. So it comes in this little Iron Man booklet. We got dragons falling around here. And we got so much of this and just want to stay away. So, Iron Man booklet, get that, boom. The Iron Man right there, and then over it, the blueprints in another bag. Alright, let's open it up. Lots of openings. Well, I guess that's what they call unboxing, right? Yeah. What is it called? He says yes. Alright. Here we go. Iron blueprint on purplish paper. Alright, let's unfold this bad boy. Oh my god. So it has a bunch of notes about voiceability, joints, all that good stuff that Tony Stark says. This actually might be really cool to put up in your garage or bedroom or something. Make it a little cool like that. It's gonna be full out huge. So I'll try to show you as much as I can. Because it's gonna be a lot to work with. So, Iron blueprint. Alright, and here we go. You can put it up for me. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, how much you could see it, but it's a nice little nod to Iron Man, some blueprint for you. That thing is huge, so I'm just gonna pull it up. So, blueprints, belt buckle, keychain, Hulk, the bobblehead, Avengers pin, and the Captain America statue. And of course the game picture of the awesome box. So collectors, I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, tell me what you want to see next. What you think of this collector's edition? Did you pick it up or you decided to play the game? There is a link to donate to keep me doing videos, and I am an advocate for cerebral palsy, so I will put a link below to learn about more and to donate to the Cerebral Palsy Foundation. Other than that, have a good day. See you next time.